Okay. Dear students, today I am starting topic business risk of your chapter 1 of business studies. But before moving on to the entire topic, we must understand what do you mean by risk. What is risk? Risk is students possibility of losses या possibility of planning being failed because your future is uncertain. We don't know what will happen after 1 hour, isn't it? Your future is uncertain. Our future is uncertain. You may do proper planning with averages and estimates, but what is there in future nobody knows. The best example in current scenario we can give of your COVID-19, isn't it? We all planned that we will start session in March end, but what happened in the last? Your uncertain future came as a pandemic broke down all over the world, and hence we are in isolation and in quarantine and staying at homes and studying online. Have we predicted all this? No. So our future is uncertain. We can plan it, but it cannot be 100%. Planning cannot be successful. Okay. Now, coming to the business risk. What do you mean by business risk? Business risk refers to the possibility of inadequate profits, means your profits are not sufficient, or sometimes even losses. No businessman plans business activities with the possibility of generating losses. Everybody plans for profits, isn't it? But future is uncertain. There can be profit, there can be losses, there can be less profits also. So business risk is what? Possibility of losses or inadequate, means insufficient profits because your future is uncertain or due to unexpected events. Now what can be these unexpected events? Some natural calamity broke down, some earthquake came, okay, some flood came, like that, or some theft happened, or the ship in which the goods have been loaded, maybe it sunk in the sea also. This also can happen. So these are unexpected events which results in losses to the businessman. So these are known as risk. So in one line, if I define what do you mean by business risk, so risk is what? Risk is possibility of losses due to uncertain future. Possibility of losses due to uncertain future. Okay. Now, what is the nature of business risk? Business risk we understood. Now, what is the nature of business risk? It arises due to uncertainties. Nobody can be sure of certain events. We can plan, but your planning cannot be 100% successful. If I say after half an hour I will sleep, maybe something happens or some guest came and we are not able to go to the bed. Okay, so there are uncertainties. So these uncertain events, the uncertain future, is the main culprit of business risk. Next, it is an important part of your business may, there is a saying, more risk means more profits. There is a big saying here, more business risk, more profits. So therefore business assumes from the starting only that there will be a risk of losses or risk of inadequate or insufficient profits. Next is the degree of risk depend upon the nature and size of the business. The bigger the size of business, the bigger will be the possibility of losses. The smaller the size of business, the smaller will be the possibility of risk. I told you that profit is reward for risk taking. The more risk you take, more profits will be there.